Eti Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly boss. Honorable King Zuba abusuane to etwi. Sika sem bi eya fa nensase. Ama Ghana for demand explanations and answers from him. Ni nyina fa Ohwim Streetlights ho no mo no. Ohwim bridge no mo ye no. Atafua bridge no mo ye no. Streetlights ho no mo no. Ni nyina sese na honorable betire mu se eyi kwa no o ma ye na sika wo body so mo di aye no. E na Ghana for say hey honorable. There be o. Yesere wada ultimate kan je say order what time sika kese we. They are fixing just street lights. You hear him. Gonna phone a class with him. I Penyah block me. The mess was any demo. Obe like video not that my word subscribe button. Some click notification corner latest update. Number to the wide and the mama ever comment section. Obaswa. No I share post on your beash. So who USA, who UK, that's the opposite sending edebe fee. For another app no, if I send ebe fee from promo code Penyah TV, the Ombe $20 for free. Almost transaction are very fast and reliable. O Sunday ya pa na dru Ghana. Never crown and saka. No afraid. Na aye NG. Emu na no na for asa amount $20 for free. Let's go to the service here. On him say aye early June mu hono mo. Ana enso to ema kumas e flade edum e flade ema KMA sikura e flade ema ho nsem ebebebe na eno achi no ana ye 16 June King Zuba awo ye Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly boss ani di angasa de Richard Ofori okopie mu ewo Accra FM and no go di nkomo efa asantema in fact Kumasi nkoso no Kumasi ye ho na ho no and ebuses and question maybe about sanitation ti we any some okan
na ye nya ho nkomodie ya bia no na baji ye bre pa efi
yeah
ifi o Kumasi
eno ne Kumasi headache kese pa
eno ne headache kese pa
be a major headache.
It has been a major headache for
decades.
Yes, for about 20 years.
For decades.
By intimate dealing with it.
Omo complaining in also can papa for
so
yeah. Omo complaining in na can papa for if you know one day.
Ayani generative film.
Share the volume of waste and then for about 4 days ye ewo Akwetia line bridge and so plastic bottles on kwa mpacho me na me go go enni nyanipa e ba kufo plastic bebe we ye ho endu 2 weeks na esa ye ma ene ya sa kwa ye enu dade ye no ye nyi bi sa kwa da ye ya ma na to cement on that no but in so to me ensan be san ye ma one the to ade no to free Dr. Mensa ho one the to free Penyah hospital side ho edeba for na ye e men so pia e de be go gatem why na nsuo to a okuhwie ni bola e go gatem na owie na nsuo no twen e ba be go gata kese ma wo se kromo ayefi bibi how
asemo
what I say me we me te so be frɛ say John so fulan ho e ba ko kambe jo nyina kan edu bisa Zuba wo ma me disika ni prefi say ni pa na o ka no ma mienu wo ma ne snap so wo modua so onto roba nto abonte on timi mo o san ka chene se se on twa ni fie property rate receipt enfama wa onya bi ma enti o contribution no e negative towards achieving the o hwehwe enti de de kan pa ye mindset ye nyinara ye mindset yansesa no a die be ye biara te bia bone te na so bete mbato te ase efie wo gata mahudo mi nyinaa de na nyame na de begu ho emu de ya ene nyame boye na ka ye ho o ti trotrom wanum nsuo obeja de atum nanka trotro ni gina mate no wa pramu nyina na babia dustbin wo akwakofa e de agum onye ne sa trotro ne kona na wato e de agu ka akwa no bi ayi enso to ana aboa na bagu gatem no asa etwa no se kroma yefi enso to ote Kumasi abonten so obia hunu because nso to ade obia akwa dem na obia pe bia nso nka no akwakote no aba behwe ni nwura waye wo fie e de agu gatem ne nso na atwe no de aba abegu gata kesiem ana mountain so ana ka kwam na ye fi owia no osan hu sa fi na no refisa ne de na kwaka obi de hu na adoso Kroma yefe. And the first approach, I was here to come a finger edo Korean.
Change of mindset.
A mindset.
And I bet you now, no, or mode, are there friend of town council? I am an FN and Saman, ever saw baby, so that say, who young or mantamo, now won't proud, or begging a mantamo near the day, where better to a ball a good feature piano. Your best somehow, in fact, a ball cat.
Ye great. Yes, near the Mrano. Any sanctions, a bar. A bit me, I foresee the Panama, why dear. And nothing I may say, your man, some Jumediano. Ember. See your best at what the gems.
Hold on, some such. I didn't hear.
Be about them both free.
Two different, what would you
be different medium? Oh. Into young Aquana started hearing and call for now. Was a wood and there.
How would they operate? Because one for us will be some is asking me, say, or might say me know this sound come on, but they want to understand how or more preaching. Miss Sandy, way be. Miss Sandy is a new video. Aha, me who Adam say, ah, wait there. And
then, say, yeah, so you're not paying 8 o'clock. So that for bed 20. So that for bed 20. Police for bed 10.
Go for so soldier assembly.
Ghana no soldier nka ho a.
Hey, what up soldier assembly too much. Obi Zuba soldier bibia soldier bibia dey.
Go soldier life school.
Obia.
We go school soldier life.
Say your friends say decongestion ba here. Soldier bibia soldier. Where I can do the soldier na
go school soldier life.
But you think that I don't know bit mam. I don't know how. Do you think that I better?
Boy me pa.
Akuma
FM
87.9 Kumasi.
Oh, to say we say a Kofonochi, deputy security coordinator, say manager or Kofonochi. And Calbert tell me abu. Kofonochi is a
you don't mean it. So Kabemi
discipline, I don't joke with it.
Why are they?
Second for natural letter about me say ran about me so I congested. Na ambulance about my bed.
Send here.
No, I deputy security manager. You don't do anything to manage it. Me I messy form.
Akuma FM
Because from a particular area. Yes, I know. Also, me school to the line into me some potemo. What I say? Na me ni was south central. The one minimum pa. What I say? Bantama ho no me ma ko ni mu ne. Asa so ba chi asa e fa na ya. Ata say dia go. Ewo. Hono nti minimum. Yesu ano na ka efi be kwai about him. Odu ji wan na we rem. OPD na nim ho. O rem a no drop nipa no. Na se kan ko gitu abi ho no atani afa ho no okọ. No mo di ho no. Konfano chifo na ma kwai me ye di ho na taxi rank. Ama sa space no I virtually closed.
87.9.
One one eti cars ni ntimi rem nko because omo rem a no mo pa mo wo mo. Until they have no choice. So obi baji Jesus in car kwemo because also design ni nye parking space bi ama wo mo. Ekwan ni design enye parking space bi ama wo mo. Won your design kwan ni nim se oba be see oba bi o mo dey taxi rank na nim ho. Nti me regulate so okay mo amu F saniko bi kai ho silver FM or silver farmer no ma mom be bia obetimi aduru ansa na wagina na mo amu so mo ba be drop no so ma mom be bia enti e ba sa no e kwan no movie kama
FM 87.9
na me si obi nwura ho page bi nwura opedi anim ho no mo nkomo be ka no ko bra opedi anim ho a mo yan so ma clamp no na me ka cha ma me na me si nwura ho me si nipa no nti ka cha just any penny ni banza. You don't tell the mayor that. The manager of the city, my instructions. Also, this opinion in the banza.
I don't know.
And I'm assuming when you intimate catch him and call for so many clamp into me can. Upon a ban where you got what Tim Gumiso. What I say, such a person have to discipline you. You're not disciplined. You must always watch a quiet block it. That's your job. Don't sit in the office. Make sure there's order at the place. And then you don't do your work and you write to me, I'm coming to do it for you, and you come to me to behave. I'll discipline you.
You're gonna your food, Reggie.
I mean, the most of the time, a band pum the anum come.
Zuba.
I'm about betua. I said, get ball cat. I'm always try say, or a home come up. Then commanding to us for any don't go PM Ohwim. That is Atafwa. MPP ni Baumia, a Kufa ni Baumia eteswono. And omoye that Atafwa bridge no. To omia bridge we no. And almost fix the street lights. I was that area on the street light. I am a 13. And almost fix it. Ya na bibia a year juma. And I know MPP a coffee. But street light later. A baba say a benya problem. Na no. Ana honorable Zuba. Na nsemu a whole na I assume. Atafwa bridge so hono nyina de street light 13 na ho na esoma ehan ba hono no ho nyina ni nyina sei ama ho nyina isuntu no manadwo bra ehu pa ye busa the question about that and we tell them say oh that light no kra no fix it down oba ye no 2026 no fix light no kra pen na eya manfo bi ana akokritwa cables no akowia light no just say akronfo na akowia ho ne mo na hokoro boarding say was spending 750,000 new Ghana discount 7.5 billion and they fixed those lights no and am for twitwa ho ne ma akowia
Kaniana omoka wanse me yeah anche but enya du mo se yeah and enya se nya no ma papa ne ya nto ne de ye yo eye ni pa bonifo e wo krom cables na hyehyɛ mu no o ya na sentema yeah Sami Jamfias ye na nwume no me kwakohwe security arrangement aye wo efio ti mi fa Ohwim me do beje no so na kane ani nyina dum no me yam hyim na me bufu ye cause my book 750,000 was an kane no
750,000
to bring it back
750,000
na ndu boso me mianza na ni paboni fo asakutu na de nyina sa dum Obaka say ande na mum patrol police voice
that's the point
police for yes say
I see your CCTV cameras so kroma
ebisi o nye baby na CCTV camera Ohwim CCTV camera it is your bridge no so ebisi o what the point na matter say but me say yeah developing country obi an function it ye hu no ma enso ya kwankro we are not in a perfect situation enti aburo no ye nti so say yanti aburo attitude no so a ene abane ye beto sa
87.9 Kumasi Akuma FM 87.9
ye subaya ye dete kuro mu no say yenya timemfo na ansesa no a ye beto aba to but ensesa no
say street light ya yes sipo ho dada ya fix the cables so bibia wo mu dada bulb na enya fault ana ya repair it either say one ye betima repair bulb ho dada no ana say two ye beto tom no de ahye 13 pe sa bulb we ba ku bia cost ya from 600 cedis to at most 2,000 cedis and 2,000 they go to obi kwame we go to my community me to on just 800 cedis kama kesia esren pa because now say eno na ya say 120 watts yes 120 watts I say between 800 cedis esren pa Zuba ya see ya facing post e wo hodada cables wo mu bulb keke any workmanship keke bulb keke any workmanship post street light 13 pe no wa bo ho ka 7.5 billion na usi pole nyina ahya se kranka wo boka se pole ni nyina wo to pole governance pole ni nyina si cables bibia fix bibia ba so si pole ba ku bia wi the cost incurred it will never exceed 20,000 emro so gise bia ne obo double light no ene be betim da ko be 25,000 to 30,000. But say a single pole, any single light here, it will never exceed 20,000. It's like I will study before for a post 13 crown. 13 times 2, that is 26. Thank you, 260,000 cedis. But King Zuba Trese was spending 7.5 billion. Albra yesi po hodada cables ewo mu dada. Bob nkwa na say ye face Bob nkwa keke no. He aboka 7.5. Eno ana mara shakwasi da bi. Ohwim oyen this ni but untimi this an command children. Amaro abexpose King Zuba.
Post 13 Omoka 7.5 billion ade. Zuba ade. And tell radio so na TV so nka say akronfo asa betu to light na ma. Ye say boboka foforo nya no kre. Akronfo bi an to twahwe yo. Po na ye 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 medical Canada. 13 posts. And a poll no say Zuba NDC ba power na Zuba be CEO. MPP bridgeway and no musisi poll ni dada. Etu hia ba omia posters na still na ba omia posters. And na so watch posters na da so bobo ho no. Etu ba ka che me say wo say 7.5 billion.
Kania na omoka wanse me. If I Ohwim me do beje no so na kania ni nyina dum no. Me yam him na me bufu ye. Because my book has 750,000 was an kania no.
750,000
to bring it back.
750,000.
Nandu boso me mianza. Na ni papa ni fo asa kutu na de nyina sa dum. Enanya se nyo no ma papa ne ya nto ne de ye yo. Eye ni pa bonifo e wo krom cables na sese mu no. O ya.
Post 13 pound Streetlights boost no. O say 7.5 billion. Na akronfo na abetu to anya no kra Zuba. Bi eti am se anya no kra bra fa de nkyerɛ. Po bia wo ha bia no ya lock no. Po bia wo ha bia ya lock no. O hwe ase ha ya lock no. A po bia ni wa ya twa ho. Po bia su obia ni wa ya twa ho. A se o hwe ye mie. O se ba bi se no na ka ba ga sa akronfo na ba bie. A nya ye mie. Eti po na ede na akronfo abetwa wo ya. Eti ahin fa na Zuba KMA boss. Abeso ka che Ghana for say was say 7.5 billion. Now 750,000 Ghana cedis. I was Streetlights 13 o. Me so obi oni Atafua bridge ya bia no Atafua bridge ni. Aha na Zuba peso ka che me say o ka che Ghana for say waboka 7.5 billion 750 Ghana cedis. Our Streetlights me say 13. Do oni Atafua bridge no Streetlights na was no ya mako 13. Oboka 7.5 billion. And then they will say akronfo Mrs. Zuba krono bia no wabetwa light bia. Either say akronfo na di sika na mo de wo ka say 7.5 billion no. O ma fa sika na ma ya adwuma no. Because po bia wa ha bia no enya ndi sinesi ye. Enya obae na abesisi po no. Yesi po ni dada. O dia no say light na ni wires bia wo change no. Ana oboka 7.5 billion. Biatia ename video we say light na ena dum ha nyina no wo ho a na ani aso kakra na dum na ani aso na dum ano kire say krofo na be ya adwuma wa ha no na anya adwuma ni ye etinya obi ama ha metu cha wo ya bia me aya na menam da bia video ye na wa hwe previous videos tete ye video aye akufo adum we bia no me twa wo video etia de minimia da bia aha uko wani kakra bia oto wani ko uko wani kakra bia police barrier ho eti kranfo be ne be twitwae ti me ka che Zuba say Atafua bridge a o ka say waboka 7.5 billion na kranfo bia be twitwae yes no kura bia nim me na make de eti make say say po bia wo ha bia no ye ntwa ba bia ye mie ba bia boto bom ni nya bobom eti na kranfo ne fa ebe wie yes and obey lights. Crofona Zuba Hawkers 7.5 years and our Hokano, Omo Mania Jumani. The sound for Cronshomo, no more fesse. Because Ed Quagana have a say, post 13. Mr. Post is a Ciano. Let's bridge you to know I am Marco 13. Oh, Moka 7.5 million. Zuba, and I don't tell you, I saw you there a walk Kumasu Road. No, who drew a street light to walk for more than 200 and about Mr. Zuba say, so I saw a year Jumana, nkrofo no de adwuma no show omo say so omo sika so omo nya adwuma no omu so omo say atafo bridge no omo kire ba bi omo twetwa wo esnafa to nkrofo nam so da bia o ade sa isi obi ne ode ne ma na ekoyi so obi hwe omo no omo ye omo boni sisi a mami pa cho won ye de esum no omo nam no omo kosa no nkrofo nam so sa daily day out day in it is obi person odi obi boni obetima di ni boni ti de yesre Zuba ne say 7.5 billion no on engineers na omo be ye adwuma ne nkasa na ba bia sika krom tom de be ye adwuma omo me fix ne back because me Ghana need here me ti kumase ya de me tusu say sika ni bia fa ba bi obi afa 7.5 billion ye post 13 bi e wa ha
Chira wa adwen fuma me e wo comment section. Aha ye Penyah Block Media. Agra.